Okay everyone, today we are doing a 2019 revisit of an Esso / Circle K gas station on 16th Avenue and Woodbine Avenue in Markham. And they have the rare Oasis XP. I'm surprised that...
I'll tell you the code number by number.
Got it.
Okay, I'm surprised this watch hasn't been replaced with a Choice Watch XT by Mark 7.
Okay.
So here
ready.
we go.
So the code is
Yep.
38678.
There we go.
Okay.
We can go on in.
Alright, people, now we're going inside this Oasis XP.
Yeah. Top wash bail is $12.99 without a gas purchase.
So we're getting undercarriage?
Yep. Go slow.
Okay. There we
Yep.
go.
Go ahead.
We're almost there. We are...
Good job.
Perfect.
Ready. And that's the wash begin.
Starting off with the pre-soak.
Mm-hmm.
I'm thinking of doing a Windows XP joke in this video. Let's do the back right now.
Now we're soaking for pre-soak. And it's doing for tri-foam.
Only one pass of pre-soak. That's interesting. Once the thing passes, I'll hit the wipers so we can see what's going on, of course.
Well, really nice coverage of a tri-foam.
Yeah.
Now the thing's moving to the front.
It's gonna start our high pressure wash cycle. so far, it is not getting the mirrors though.
Yeah.
I'm actually shocked to see that this thing is still here.
Hopefully for final wins will get them
We're
off.
being polished?
Yep. You can see for soap on the mirrors.
Yeah, it's mostly tri-foam on the mirrors.
And it didn't get it off.
There we go.
Go ahead for the dryers. Machine's moving back.
We're racing it with the car.
Yeah, okay, drive ahead for the dryers because we have a long way to go. So we have superior dryers that is on Pico stands. Let's see how well they do.
Here we go.
45 seconds of a dryer time.
Well, I'll tell you this, the dryers are managing to get the soap off the car.
Yeah.
Well, most of it at least.
Yeah.
That looks like a Bellinger timer,
Yeah,
but I don't think it is because you'd be able to see the LEDs.
Here we go.
Look at the thing and see how it did.
Yeah. Let's see how ever watched
Spoiler
it.
alert, spoiler alert. Okay.
Let's see how
Okay,
ever
so
watched
okay,
it.
so I don't know if the thing's gonna close yet.
It's not going to close.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna start with the back.
Dryers didn't do well.
Yeah, the back is always the
Hard to
hardest
do.
part for drying.
Yeah.
It's probably because of the shape of the straw.
Yeah.
On the front, okay. I don't know if
Dryers didn't do well here. I'm not sure if you can see that. Water bike for turn signal.
on the mirrors, but it managed to, but the dryers managed to get the last of it.
Yeah, dryers didn't do well here on the hood. It's really wet.
That's fine. That's fine.
Yeah.
At least the wash did a decent job.
Yeah. Overall, it was a great wash and I highly recommend it. Yeah. You can see a really close up.
Here's a closer look at the dryer timer.
Yeah.
It may look like I think it actually is an older Bellinger timer.
Yeah. That looks.
It's no, there's no logo.
Yeah. But here's the dryers anyways and the whole machine. That's
Yeah.
not going for
Yeah,
thing.
I'm not going in here.
Yeah.
But this is what the bay looks like. Thanks for watching this video.
Yeah. Hope you enjoyed this
That'll be
video.
it.
Yeah. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks again for watching as always. And that will be it.